The Jefferson River and the town of Whitehall are in the background, and this is where Mike Battaiola and I teach high school. Years ago, we decided to try and get our students involved in a good all-around project that used real science to solve real problems. And one problem that was growing all around us, worse than a forest fire, was noxious weeds.
I'm Phil McCraley, Salt Lake County Weed Supervisor, also President of the Weed Supervisor Association of Utah.
And my name is Sage Fitch. I'm the Salt Lake County Noxious Weed Specialist. And today we're here with our teachers, about 10 teachers from across Utah. And we're also with 2 teachers from Montana, Todd Breitenfeldt and Mike Battaiola. And this is the Bugs with an Attitude workshop. We're fortunate to be able to offer this with some generous funding from the Utah State Division of Fire, Forestry, and State Lands, along with funding from the Forest Service. And today we're in a leafy spurge site in Midvale, Utah, and we've released some leafy spurge flea beetles, and we're monitoring for past releases of flea beetles. And so we're giving our teachers a good experience with how to release, how to monitor biocontrols, and give them some upfront and close personal experience with leafy spurge.
My name is Eric Bingham, and I teach 7th and 8th grade science at Mount Logan Middle School. This workshop came up called Bugs with Attitude. This was something I was really excited to do. So we went down to the workshop in Salt Lake, and it was several days, and the training, the education we got there about biocontrol, about invasive species. They showed us several different types of invasive species, several different types of biocontrol, and then some projects that we could do. But then they ended off with a challenge to come up with a project that you wanted to do. And so my idea was to do a summer workshop. I wasn't sure we could do an insectary. Maybe, that's something we're looking at now as maybe something we could do. But at the time, that was a little intimidating to me. And I said, I'd like to do something with the kids during the summertime and get them there to do some biocontrol, to do a capture and release.
The following summer, Eric implemented his project with USTAR Summer Academy and APHIS Plant Protection and Quarantine.
Everyone who doesn't have a sweep net, take a tray and get with someone who has a sweep net. Okay. Okay. From the outside, grab the ball at the bottom. From the outside, and then push it inside out and dump it into your tray. Hold the tray down low to the ground, and it helps whoever's got the sweep net.
And we found these type of weeds like this.
Okay.
We found those, and we were shaking them. And then that's how we got all the bugs.
So this is a biocontrol for Dalmatian toadflax. It's called Macinus janthinus. Actually, Amber told me they just changed the name to Macinus janthiformes or something like that. But the guys in there, they're the Macinus janthinus, and they're for our Dalmatian toadflax. We're going to transport them over back to Cache County and use them there.
Good job. Can anyone tell me why we aspirate the bugs rather than just sweep them up and take them home?
To only get the right bugs?
More accurate, you only get the bugs you want. There's another really important thing. Everyone look in these trays. Tell me what's in there besides insects? Leaves and what else? Weed seeds. Look at all the weed seeds you guys got.
I'm going to go over here.
So we want to leave those weed seeds here.
Okay, there you go.
We're really excited about what Todd and Mike have been able to do in Montana and some of the other surrounding states in Idaho. They've been able to develop some of these same insectaries, and so we're really hoping that we're going to find the perfect teacher or teachers that will be able to start their own insectary. We'd love to see some leafy spurge or knapweed or Dalmatian toadflax insectaries, so we're going to work really hard to try and get those established.
They don't actually have to go out and create something all by themselves. There's groups out there, there's organizations already put together that are always looking for folks to come help them, that would help them if they wanted to do a project. It's all about partnerships, working together. That's the only way we can control noxious weeds, and that's working together.